All right, what's going on, everybody? Let's go straight into this trade recap. It's 10:15, 45-minute workday. Caught this continuation short after the sell-off of fucking doom and despair. So today I came into the market. I came a little bit late. Pause. Holy shit. Crazy pause. I came onto the charts very late. I had a pretty hectic morning, so I was catching up on shit. But we just immediately started selling off. My bias was I wanted to see a sell-off to Asia low and this wick and maybe get a reaction off of it. And we did sell off to them and then just continued to fucking bleed forever and ever until the end of time. So, that happened. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, right. So we continued to run through gaps, run through everything. The 4-hour opened up and just continued to be bearish. I wanted to see a 10 a.m. AMD model. We finally hit this 4-hour gap and get a little reaction out of it. And one thing that I liked about this 4-hour gap is that after we came out of it, we were also going to open up a 5-minute very soon after. And that 5-minute was going to be right here at this high. So what did I say to myself? I said, okay, this 30-second is a BPR. The reason I like this is we were going out of a 4-hour, we had an external SMT, and we inversed with amazing momentum, got a BPR 30-second fair value gap, and we respected it. So I got in, and I said, listen, I'm going to go break even here. Maybe there's a chance this is the reversal, and we take it really good RR to the unfilled 15-minute gap above. That's what I wanted, because at the end of the day, I was more convinced that shorts were going to be the play, but I thought this was the area where we would reverse off of no matter what, just because we were finally bouncing this 4-hour, everything like that. ES was slowing down on its descent, so I was like, all right, if we're going to get along, we'll at least take a break even here, and that's what we did. It edged my break even, almost stopped my shit, reversed out of nowhere. And when it reversed, this is why I love this shit so much. Because it reversed when this 5-minute opened. And I said to myself, hopefully we can survive in this trade long enough for this 5-minute to open. And then when it opens, we could go break even there. And then if we react off of it, I'm going to flip shorts immediately. What happens? We come up, hit the 5-minute. I don't even know if we made an internal SMT. Yeah, we did. We did right here. So we hit the 5-minute. Ended up going break even on this long, which was totally fine with me. And I immediately, let me draw out this 5-minute for you guys right here so you can see it. This is just an A+ continuation short. I mean, come on. Look at the trend, right? So, 30-second with great momentum. I said, fuck it, I'm getting in here. Called it out. Didn't go break even. I was too confident. Stop here. And then I marked out here as my TP. I ended up putting my take profit more like here. And then once we started displacing through this low, I just dragged it around here for about a 1-to-1, maybe a little less. No drawdown trade, basically. I mean, we came up at the beginning and respected the gap we inversed, and then we fucking bled. Could have gotten over 2RR on this trade, but who cares? Very, very good trade. Let's go through the checklist. Rejection out of a higher time frame PD array. Yes, a 5-minute. Internal SMT. External, I'm not actually sure. Let's see if we have something up here. I don't think we do, though. Just because both assets were bleeding so heavily. Oh, yeah, we do. We do right here. So, actually, we had an external SMT that started this bleed off this fair value gap respect. Crazy enough. So, dude, bro, this is why I got to get on charts earlier. I fucking hate being busy in the mornings. Because this was... holy fuck, this is beautiful. Yeah, SMT after respecting this hourly is what probably started this sell-off anyway. So we had the external. Beautiful 30-second. What shape is this? It's a V. Beautiful, beautiful move. Great momentum close. And that's how we get it. Did it on the live for the boys for the premium. I just told them to put their P&Ls in there, so people are starting to do that. It's just what we do, man. It's just what we do. Very tight-knit community, catching fucking dubs together. I have lost twice in the month of January, so tomorrow will be my last trading day of January. And one of them was on eval, so... and it was yesterday during FOMC day that I should have just faded. But, yeah, yesterday ended my 10-day win streak, if you want to call it that, or 11-trade win streak, and now we're right back on target coming into February. Really good trade overall. I'm happy with it. And, yeah, all right, so that's the trade recap. Pretty simple. Continuations will retire your mom. Catch you later.